Hi, I was just wondering about the rear roll center correction and how to do it on a lowered car and the squat with the rear trailing arms on an MQB platform. We do not currently have a roll center product for the
Yeah,
rear
roll
in the
center
MQB.
is a pretty complex thing to measure and sort too.
Yeah, and we don't have that. So
Yeah,
doing it in the front has a huge benefit. Um,
you can play with it a little bit with the alignment components that are there because you can adjust. We have adjustable uppers as well as stock. The lower has adjustment ranges, so you can move the lengths around back there a bit. Um,
yeah, but I mean,
but
there's no way to really adjust the center
yeah, but you're
within a car.
as far as like moving your mounting points,
Yeah.
the actual pivot points up and down. That's not something we have.
Yeah, and then it's much more complicated and expensive to do it in the rear of the car, and there's a huge benefit by doing it up front, and
Yep.
you can do it for like $175 with our
Yep.
ball joints. And eventually, our control arm will also assist with that. But
Yep.
the roll center is by far in the ball joints. Older Audis used to have just like the same ball joints in the rear as in the front.
It was a mirror of
That
the
made it
front
really easy
suspension.
to do stuff. But yeah, I would say if you can set up your MQB vehicle with all of our suspension and alignment products that we currently have, it will be transformative to the car, and you don't really need to worry too much about the rear roll center. Most of what's happening on MQB cars is front suspension.